If your marketing message is missing the mark, then this quick copywriting tip is for you. Hey, it's Robert Sean Pasco from worldclasscopywriting.com, and today I'm diving deep into the realm of open loops in copywriting. Now, why should you care about open loops? Well, think of the last TV series that kept you binge watching. Episode after episode, you couldn't get enough, right? And most likely it was because of those cliffhangers. And that's the power of open loops. They create curiosity, a gap in knowledge that your audience will desperately want to fill. Instead of standard copy that says, our feature has X amount of features, but a loop teases, discover the game-changing feature that's causing a sensation. See the difference? Next time you pen down a piece of copy, try not to spill all the beans immediately. Instead, tease, entice, and only then provide the resolution. This makes your message stick. It compels your audience to stick around for the whole thing, hungry to learn more. Because good copywriting isn't just about information, it's about making that information irresistible to your audience. By harnessing the psychological impact of open loops, you'll keep your audience reading until the end. And when you keep them reading, you keep them investing. And the longer they're investing in reading your full sales message, the more you can hit home the benefits they'll receive from buying your product or service. Until next time, go ahead and try this out in your next piece of copy and see what open loops can do for you.